Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss with you how to calculate the median of the group data, and let us see how this lecture goes. Like we know that median is what we can say which is occurring in the middlemost, so that is called the median. So for finding the median there are some formulas. If it is given ungrouped data, if data is ungrouped, that already we have learned in class 9th also. If ungrouped, and in the first case if it is given even, if it is given, if n is, we can say even means number of observations are even. So how we will find out the median? So we can say like median is equal to, here it is, we can say n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. See, n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation divide by 2. Divide by 2 means what we are doing? We are finding the mean of this plus this. Yani these two observations mean if you will find, so that is the median in the case of the even. Let us see the example. If it is given, suppose 2, 4, 6 and 10, or maybe I am taking some small number like it is 1 and suppose it is 5. So like this I have taken, there are 4 numbers. So the sum of these numbers we can say it is, first of all, these are number of observation if we will talk. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, yani n is equal to 4, that means it is even. Now first of all you arrange them in the ascending or descending order. So I can write it is 1, 2, 4 and 5. See now the formula is what? We will have to find n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So n is what? N is 4. So median we can find out like median is equal to, it is 4 upon 2 observation plus 4 upon 2 plus 1 observation upon 2. So 4 upon 2 means we can say it is second observation. 4 upon 2 plus 1 means we can say third observation upon 2. So second observation from where? From here you will see it is 2 only. The value of the second observation is 2. Third observation is 4. So you can write it is 2 plus 4 upon 2. You can say it is 6 upon 2. It is 3. So 3 is the median, obviously, because you will see there is a number lying between 2 and 4, that is 3 only. So this is 1. See, second, if n is given odd, if n is given odd, this is second. If number of observation, if number of observations are odd, means n is odd, we can say. So you will find the median using the formula like median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Means the value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So let us see one example related to this also. I am taking this example like 1, 3, 2, 4 and 5. Maybe these are the 5 observations I have taken. So I will arrange them first of all. I will arrange in ascending order. So whenever you will find the median, first of all arrange the data in the ascending order. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. we can write n is equal to 5, which is odd, so median you can find out now. Median is equal to, it is 5 plus 1 upon 2th observation, so we can say now it is 6 upon 2th observation, that means third observation. It is what? Third observation. Third observation you will count from here 1, 2, 3. So the answer is what? It is 3 only. So these are the methods which we use in the earlier classes while the data was given ungrouped data. And now what is next? See here in this class we want to learn how to find out the median while the data is given group data. So let us see, I am discussing with you the method of finding the median of the group data with the help of some simple examples. So median we will find if data is given group. So if group data is given, then we want to find out the median. Data is given group data. So what is the meaning of the group data? You know, intervals will be given, frequencies will be given. So the formula that we will use here is median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into h. This is one formula we will have to utilize. See student, I'll explain you the meaning of these terms. I'll take one example and with the help of that we will solve the question and we will understand how to utilize this. See now, I am taking one example. Let this is the one data is given, we want to find out the median of this data. I am taking very simple question, it is not given in any book, I am just taking like this only. So intervals are given like 0 to 10, it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like 30 to 40 and so on. Suppose till 40 only, and the frequency given, it is maybe like 5, it is 10, 15 and 20. See how you will find out the median using this formula. This is the formula of the median of the group data. So here I am just explaining you what is the meaning of this all. So first of all you will have to find out sum of the frequency, that is called basically n. Sum of the frequency you will find out. You will add them up, 5 plus 5 10, carry 0 1, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1, it is 5, you got 15. So the value of n we got. N means what? Sum of the frequency we can say. It is sum of the frequency. Okay. From here you will have to find what is the value of n upon 2. Means divide this sum by 2. 50 divided by 2, it is 25. So you will find out what is n upon 2. And parallelly you will make one new column. That column is called cumulative frequency, and in nutshell it is called CF. You call this cumulative frequency column. So this column you will prepare like CF. How it is? You will write the first frequency and then further you will add this 5 into 10 and you will write it is 15. Further 15 you will add in 5, 15 and you will write next it is 30. 30 you will add up in 20 and you will write next it is 50. If your cumulative frequency is correct, then sum of the frequency must be the last sum of the cumulative frequency. If these two are different, that means somewhere we have done mistake. So now see, we will calculate n upon 2. We will find n upon 2. So n upon 2 is what? 50 upon 2. That means 25. you will have to select a number greater than this number, just greater than this. Just greater than 25 is what? We can say 30. And this 30, it belongs to which interval? That interval you will have to select. It is 20 to 30. So no, you will come here now. What is the value of L? What is L? You can say L is the, so first of all you will have to find out n upon 2. N upon 2 is what? N upon 2 you will have to, what is the, where you will select this value n upon 2? N upon 2 means sum of the frequency divided by 2. Sum of frequency divided by 2. And you will see this thing in the cumulative table. Then what is L? This is, we can say, lower limit of CF. यानी ये जो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आपने सेलेक्ट किया है, the lower limit of this interval is called L. Then next term is what? H. H, everybody knows, it is class size. Class size, like here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, the difference of the interval. So here it is 10. So we can say this is 10 here. Then what is remaining? F. What is F? You will have to select in the cumulative frequency column frequency of the number which is just preceding to this. Just preceding to this is this. So here it is F. Okay. And what is CF? This is CF. What is L? This is L. What is H? H is 10. So these are the meaning of the terms. Once again, see, this is lower limit of the interval. This interval is called median class interval. तो median class interval आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? You will select this interval from where? For selecting the median class interval, first of all you will have to find n upon 2. N is what? Sum of the frequency. Find n upon 2. N upon 2 value, see, just greater than this value in the cumulative frequency. You got 30. 30 is coming from which interval? This interval is called median class interval. 20 to 30 is the median class interval. In this, the lower limit of this interval is called L, which we are using in the formula. So n upon 2 clear, L is clear, CF is clear. What is F? F is the frequency, cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class मतलब इससे पहले वाली class. Okay. And what is H? H is the class size. See, the class size means difference of the interval. It is 10 only for all the intervals, so it is 10. So these all are the, so we can write here CF of preceding interval, we can say. See, now I am utilizing this formula here now. So I have all the terms. I can write here now the value n upon 2, it is 25, h it is 10, lower limit it is 20, f it is 15, and what is the value of CF? CF it is 30. So we have the formula of the median. We can apply that formula here. This all everything I have written from this table only. So median I can write now, median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So put up this value. It is 20 plus n upon 2. It is 25 minus CF. It is 30 upon F. It is 15 into H. It is 10. So we got here 20 plus minus 5 upon 15 into 10. That means we got 5 threes are we got 20 minus 10 upon 3. We can simplify that further. So we can write that is equal to 20 minus 3.333 and so on. So that means it is 17. How much we can write? It is 20 minus 3.33. So we can subtract something like this. So we got 16.667, something like that. We got 16.66. We can say this is the median of this interval or the data. I hope you understood this concept, how we will find out the median of a group data using the formula of the group data. What is the meaning of these all terms? I have explained how you will select these terms in the given data and how you will utilize the formula. So like this, any question you can take, you can frame the question by your own, like I have written just like that, any question. Try to solve it out. There are many questions are given in the textbook. Take the help of that, so you will be familiar with this method. I hope you like this video. Then subscribe my channel for getting the latest update and press the bell icon. Thank you.